Hello, my name is Yao Ting Yan Nikki, contestant number 59. Creation. What is creation? To put it simply, it is something that we create. The end. Just kidding. From the Oxford Dictionary, the definition of creation means the action or process of bringing something into existence, like for example, the things we get to see and hear every day, like art, literature, and music. Well, it doesn't need to be something artistic. It can also be the most mundane thing too, like garbage. The garbage we created creates a chain reaction of damage to the environment because we cannot deal with it in a sustainable way. Let's start with an example, the Arctic ice. It's been melting since 1981, and each winter it creates less ice than the year before because of the rising temperature caused by climate change. Why does the ice melt so fast? The answer comes from the amount of trash and the necessary carbon dioxide emissions that we produce using the tools we've created. It is depressing to know that something we've created to up our living quality can be so damaging to the environment. Okay, how about this? Let's talk about something that isn't related to climate change, like the Bible. We all know the story of creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. These are the famous verses in the Bible where God created the earth and our existence, not to mention heaven and hell as well. Some people have dedicated their lives to understand God and His creation, hoping to go into the promised land of the afterlife. Some of you might be thinking, but how do you know that heaven or hell exist? We cannot see or feel it. You're absolutely correct. But, there's no way we can understand what is beyond death. Did God really exist to create an eternal paradise and purgatory? That is one thing that we'll never know until the day we die. Let's dig a little bit deeper. Why are we created? How do we gain a consciousness in this never-ending universe? Evolution has allowed us to gain a bigger brain and intelligence. We use this function to create things like fire and computers. But where did this all start? Where did the universe begin? When was it created? Scientists have created theories that it all began in a Big Bang, which allowed the universe to be created and evolve. And we are the stardust created from the impact. We're just the lucky few who are lucky enough to live a life before it ends. But we aren't unlucky enough to see the end of the universe. So, creation never dies. Thank you.